Hi, next we are going to see about the conflict. So, conflict is nothing but a difference of opinion, fight between the people, misunderstanding of the opinion. So, this leads to less productivity and there is a problems arise in an organization. So, we have to find what are all the levels of conflicts available: intrapersonal conflict, interpersonal conflict, intra-group conflict, intergroup conflict. There are four levels of conflict is available. First one is the intrapersonal conflict. Intrapersonal, the person himself having the difference of opinion that occurs with individual and usually some form of goal, cognitive or affective conflict. It is triggered when a person's behavior will result in outcomes that mutually exclusive. Graduating senior may have to decide between jobs that offer different challenges, pay, security and location. Trying to make such a decision may create one of the three basic types of interpersonal goals of approach conflict, avoidance conflict, approach avoidance conflict. Second one is the interpersonal conflict. Interpersonal, between two people the conflict arises. That involves between two or more people there is a problems arises. So that means probably the most common and most recognized conflict. This may involve conflict between two managers who returning high esteems because of prestige issue. So the supervisor expects a status from the interpersonal. So who is best? Myself is the best. So for example, interpersonal between when there are three equally observing professors and they are all up for promotion, but one of them can be promoted because of budget and position constraints. So the organization choose the best person, but the persons between it conflicts arises. Third one, intra-group conflict. That refers to disputes among some or all of the group members which affect a group's dynamics and effectiveness. Family run business can be especially prone or intra-group and other types of conflict. Only 3 in 10 family run business make it to second generation and only 1 in 2 survives into the third generation. The fourth one is called as intergroup conflict. Intergroup conflict refers to opposition, disagreement and disputes between group teams. It often occurs in union management relations. Such conflict may be highly intense, drawn out and costly to those who involved. Next, sources of conflict. Here, internal factors and external factors. External factors includes organization change leads for conflict in the organization. With the size of the technology, political and social charge increasing toward a global economy, organization changed will be ever present. Specialization. When jobs are highly specialized employees because expert at certain tasks. Second one is called as impersonal or internal sources of conflict. Skills and abilities. An organization is composed of people with varying levels of skills and ability. Such diversity in skills and ability lead to conflict, especially when jobs are interdependent. Second one, personalities. Difference in personality create conflict among individuals. Research studies report that usually an abrasive personality is rejected by others. An abrasive person is one who ignores the interpersonal aspect of work and feelings of colleagues. Third one, perception. Difference in perception can also lead to conflict. Usually, perception can differ in the perception of what motivated employees. Managers, for example, usually provide what they think employees want, but not what do employees really want. Values and ethics. Older workers, for example, value company loyalty and would take a sick day when they were not really sick. But the younger workers valuing mobility may take a sick day to get away from work. Emotion. The moods of the people can also be a source of conflict in the workplace. Problems at home often spill over into the work area, and the other moods can be hard for others. The resulting disputes can be difficult to others. Thank you.